Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Avilash and I'm your trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of GBP USD, British Pound US Dollar. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, then please subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. Let's get started. So this is the chart of GBP USD, and as we all know, market is in a tight range right now. Okay, if we look at the overall chart, then there is no doubt, no denial that market is in uptrend, is not it? And I have also already discussed in my previous videos that though market is in uptrend, market is in a tight range. Okay, just concentrate on this particular portion, then you can easily see that market is in a tight range. Okay, and if we switch to the weekly time frame, you know it pretty well that I'm a fan of multi-time frame analysis and I'm a fan of weekly time frame. So this is the weekly time frame. In the weekly time frame also we can see that previous week market formed a spinning top kind of a pattern. Generally spinning top kind of a pattern suggests that there is an indecision going on in the market. Neither bulls nor bears are dominating. Both are having the same power. And this week nothing has formed yet. Okay. But one thing is very clear to us that there was a price rejection from above on 22nd Feb or from the third week of Feb, and that price level is still acting as a resistance for the market. Okay, see, this is the high made by GBP USD on the third week of Feb, and for 3 weeks market is trying to cross this level but unable to do so. If you cannot see these levels on this chart, then leave it. I'll be showing you clearly on the Forex time frame. Okay, so let's switch to our beloved, my favorite Forex time frame. See, overall market was in uptrend, market was going up, but once market hit this particular level, okay, market could not go up, rather it came down. Whenever market tried to go up again, it faced resistance and market came down, because see, this was the resistance I was talking about on the weekly chart. Okay, and this level is not allowing the market to go up, because see, when market was going up in the month of Feb, it was very much bullish, but once market hit this level, it failed to go up anymore, and there was a sharp fall and market came down. And right now market is having resistance, market is unable to cross this price level. Let me draw a line for you so that you can see this level clearly. Okay, so this is the resistance zone. Okay, so this is a resistance zone, so there is no point of buying here, as if you find market trading in this level, then you should not buy at all. Okay, and this level is, so please do not make the mistake of buying GBP USD in this particular zone. Okay, this is your no trading zone. This is your no trading zone, and do not make the mistake of buying GBP USD at this price level. 1.4239 on the upside and 1.4190 on the downside. As long as market is trading this range, you should not trade. This is your no trading zone. Okay, and we can see that right now market is coming down from the resistance zone. Okay, market was trying to go up again. Here market faced resistance, coming down. But if you look at these candles, okay, if you look at the present candle and the previous candle, then you can easily see that though market is reversing from the resistance, but still there is not much selling pressure. Neither bulls are trying to take the price upward. Therefore, just like Euro USD, market is kind of flat here. Okay, there is not much movement here. Euro USD is totally dull, but that's the position is quite similar. Okay, the main thing is the volatility is missing, the movement is missing. Until and unless you do not get any proper movement, you should not trade, because see, we do not have the required movement here. So if you do not have the movement, we should not trade. So right now you should not trade. This is your non-trading position. You should not trade at all, because market is having no movement. If you short the market also, you'll be sitting idle, you'll be sitting duck. All of a sudden there may be a green candle, your heart will start beating faster. Okay, so no point of doing going for trades like this. Okay, you should not trade. But still you have got two opportunities. I have already discussed in my previous videos, but I would like to share with you again. And that opportunity is this level, 1.4093. Okay, this level, you can see that market is acting as support. Okay, whenever market was reversing from the resistance, it was taking support at this price level. So in case you find market at this price level, then just observe the price, and if market reverses from this level, then you can go for a buy at this level, 1.4093 level. But do remember, confirmation is always important. Do not trade without confirmation, and confirmation will be in the form of hammer, price rejection from below, or green candle like this. Once you get the confirmation that yes, the price is about to reverse from this level, you can go for a buy order. But on the other hand, if market crosses this level, this resistance 1.41902, and this level, I'm talking about this level, if market crosses this level, then that's a totally different chapter. Okay, but today I'll not be discussing what you need to do if market crosses this level, because see, the possibility of crossing this level is very less for the market right now. Seeing the present volatility, in case market crosses also, then also you should not go for a buy order, because see, market will be crossing this level for after 3 weeks. So we need to wait for the market to settle above this level, then only we will be going for buying order. But looking at the present volatility and the present state of the market, we can easily see that market does not have the required strength. Therefore, there is no point of discussing that point. Okay, so we will only wait for the market to come down to this particular level right now. And as I always say, we should always look for the area of value. And area of value is nothing but the best trading opportunity or the best trading spot. And in this chart right now, looking at all the factors, the only safe trading opportunity is this level, 1.4093 level. Okay. So let's wait for the market to come down to our price level so that we can get the best trade. But right now, this is not the ideal position to go for any buying order nor selling order. Going for buying order is totally out of the question, because market is just standing below the resistance. So buying is totally out of the question, and selling is also not. I'll not recommend, because market does not have the selling power also. Okay, so let's wait and watch. I'll update you tomorrow what we need to do. So hopefully you have understood. If you have liked the video and found the video informative, give a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Bye bye, take care.